We got Joelle here working on dinner. Cave nap number 3. Maybe another 100 years before he realizes that they're sticks, not rocks. Another little cook area. This is a little breakfast cook area. Some backpacks, some firewood. This is what we have for tonight. We have some starter, some medium pieces, a couple of logs cut up. Then we have Robert's hammock, DJ's hammock, Joelle's hammock, and then her winter home there because it got cold and she was cold. So then we open up the flap to the fire if need be, but she's nestled down in there. That is the tour. Fire pit. What do you got to say for us?
All right, we got my first time out here fishing. First time ever trying to cast this line. Here we go.
Ooh.
Decent. Let's get a close up on camera 4. Slowly reel it in.
No, you have to wait till it...
On the sea, the water's calm. Too calm. That means old. What was the whale called?
Moby Dick.
Moby Dick is out there somewhere.
We're going from the red bait to the orange.
Why did it go like in 2 pieces?
Good cast.
Excellent. Not enough whip on it. I'll let it go.
Good follow through. Got some hash browns cooking in our Ranger Lady approved fire. Wink, wink. Robert's cooking some oatmeal. He's reading the directions. This is a gourmet recipe. Doesn't want to mess it up. Then we have Joelle battling the elements. It appears she is on the winning side. Go Joelle. Hooray, hurrah.
Ah, we should. I'm good. Refreshing as always. Victorious. They call me George Washington.
Fishing tutorial with Robert.
So, you want to go fishing, but you're a novice. Well, don't worry. I can give you expert advice.
He definitely didn't fall in the water. He even has sunglasses. Ranger Robbie.
There we go. Perfect. See this hook right here? There used to be bait on it. I don't know where it went. Oh, it's so cold. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut.